Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Haziq and I'm the Head Officer of the Biomedical Authority Department. Today, we would like to address the public regarding the growing use of 3D bioprinting technology in modern healthcare. 3D bioprinting is a medical technology that uses living cells and biomaterial to create human tissues and potentially full organs such as skin, cartilage, kidneys, and even hearts in the future. The purpose of this technology is to help solve the global shortages of organ donors, reduce transplant waiting times, and improve personalized treatment for patients. Researchers, hospitals, and biomedical companies around the world are rapidly developing this technology, and some bioprinted tissues are already being used for drug testing and research purposes. While these developments bring hope to many patients, they also raise important ethical, legal, and cultural concerns that must be carefully addressed. Now we go to the ethical, legal, and cultural issues. First, these are ethical issues involving the source of cell using bioprinting, especially stem cells. Some people are concerned about the use of embryonic stem cells because of moral and religious belief. There are also concerns about informed consent. Donors must clearly understand how their cells will be used and whether those cells may later commercialize or used in future research. Another ethical concern involves ownership. If an organ is bioprinting using a patient's cells, who owns that organ? The patient, the hospital, or biomedical company? Questions like these remain unclear and require proper regulation. There are also concerns about animal testing and patient safety. Before bioprinting organ can be used in humans, they must undergo extensive laboratory and clinical testing. This raises questions about risks, long-term effects, and ethical treatment of animals used during research. Legally, current healthcare laws are still not fully prepared for bioprinting technology. Bioprinted products combine features of medical device, drugs, and biologics, making the approval process complicated. Governments and regulatory bodies must now develop clearer policies, safety standards, and licensing systems to ensure responsible use of this technology. In addition, cultural and religious beliefs strongly influence public acceptance. Some religious groups may object to the use of animal-derived materials, especially porcine cells, while others may view organ printing as interfering with the natural process of life or playing God. This perspective must be respected in policymaking and healthcare practices. So we go to the regulatory stance and recommendation. As a regulatory authority, our opposition is clear. We support the responsible development of 3D bioprinting because of its enormous potential to save lives and improve healthcare. However, this technology must develop under strict ethical guidelines, proper legal regulation, and continuous public engagement. We recommend establishing a comprehensive national regulatory framework specifically for bioprinting technology. We also encourage stronger ethical reviews processes, transparent patient consent procedures, professional licensing, and international collaboration between scientists, healthcare providers, legal experts, and religious representatives. At the same time, public education is essential. Communities must be given accurate information about the benefit and limitation of bioprinting so that public trust can be built responsibly. In conclusion, 3D bioprinting may transform the future of medicine, but scientific progress must always be balanced with ethics, safety, respect for cultural values. Thank you.